Hello everyone, the protagonist of today's waterproof test is Samsung M30s. The Samsung Galaxy M30s has a 6.4-inch gorgeous U-screen and a multi-function rear 3-slot design, and has highlights such as face recognition and fingerprint recognition. The front camera is placed in the center of the screen, and the edges are rounded to make the visual effect of the entire screen more suitable. The texture in normal mode is also good. The screen of Samsung M30s has an oleophobic layer, which can effectively isolate the water droplets on the screen. During the pouring, we can clearly see that the mobile phone has not been damaged in any way, and all functions are normal. This inevitably makes us look forward to how much water this low-end phone can release. After the shower test, the phone is still working. But what we didn't expect is that when the mobile phone was put into the water tank, a lot of air bubbles appeared. At this time, the operation became obviously difficult, and the front camera of the mobile phone was full of fog. If you want to see other mobile phone waterproof tests, please leave a message to tell us. Don't forget to click on Ding Ding Dong. You can receive our information as soon as possible. Next, we look at its internal water intake. After disassembling the mobile phone, we can see a lot of water droplets, and the waterproof standard has also entered the water. If you are using M30s, please protect it, because its waterproof level is not high. It is between 4 and 5.